Good morning, or I have no idea when I post this video, but good morning. Somewhere on the world it's morning. So yeah, welcome back to a new video. This is my vlog, one day in New Zealand, my daily or a normal day in New Zealand. I moved to New Zealand 5 months ago, and some of you requested or asked if I could do a day in my life video, and here we go. So yeah, I'm just off to the gym now. I got my coffee and now I'm heading to the gym. Let's go. My music to get ready for the gym. So workout is done, and people who know me know that I always have some emergency snacks in my car just in case I get hangry. And yeah, I haven't had breakfast yet because usually I go straight back after the gym for breakfast, but now I will look for a mirror at the warehouse and at the second-hand shop and stuff. So I already started eating a little snack just to keep me happy. So I'm at the warehouse now and looking for a mirror. I always pronounce it wrong. I was just asking where the mirrors, and she was like, a mirror? So which one? I think this one, or maybe this one. Maybe this one. So yeah, I hope this one fits in my car. So it all fits in. Good that I have a family car. And as I'm already showing you my mirror, I thought I could easily do a little room tour. What I think is pretty cool that I have like this room up there to store stuff. So there's my luggage or my suitcase and my backpack, my travel backpack. So yeah, that's good that I have the space up there. Yeah, I always have water next to my bed because just in case I get thirsty. And a book and a photo of me and my brother. Oh, I should actually try to get rid of this. It looks not so nice. Maybe I'll just put it this way around. So yeah, now it's breakfast time. It's definitely time for breakfast. I think actually breakfast is the best part of the day. made some tea because I'm cold. My room is very cold. I need to buy something like a heater or something. Yeah, now I will work on one of my assignments. I got feedback from my lecturer. So yeah, it's about digital marketing. Is my favorite subject at work at uni, and he said he's very happy with my draft, even though it's just a draft. I put a lot of effort in it. So yeah, I will work on that now. So yes, that's what I do today. So guys, I just got back from work and I realized that I forgot to do the vlog. I'm so bad in doing vlogs, so this will be maybe just a half vlog and another one will follow. But yeah, I just got so focused in my studies that I totally forgot to keep you updated. Damn.